In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change link settings to anyone with the link in Google Drive. First, open your web browser and head to drive.google.com. Sign into your Google account so you can access your files. It's a good idea to double check that you're in the correct account if you use more than one, so the right files show up and the right sharing settings are applied. Once you're in, navigate to the folder that contains the file you want to share. You can use the left sidebar to browse through folders, or use the search bar at the top to quickly find your file by name or type. When you see the file, hover over it to make sure you've selected the right one. Next, right-click on the file to open the context menu. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works as well. From that menu, click on Share. This opens the sharing window where you control who can access the file and how. In the sharing window, look for the section labeled General Access. By default, this might be set to Restricted, which means only specific people you've added can view the file. Click the drop-down in the General Access section to reveal more options. This is where you can change the broad access setting for your link. Choose anyone with the link. This setting allows anyone who has the link to open the file, even if you didn't explicitly add their email. It's not publicly listed or indexed by search engines, but you should still treat it as broadly accessible, so only use it for content you're comfortable sharing widely. For most situations, leaving the role as viewer is best, since it prevents changes to your file. If you need collaborators, you can adjust permissions as needed, but keep in mind that broader access increases risk, so choose carefully. With the access set to anyone with the link, click Copy Link. This copies the shareable link to your clipboard instantly. You can now paste it into an email, a chat, a document, or wherever you need to share it. If you're working in a team or with a class, this is often the fastest way to make sure everyone can get in without requesting access. That's it. You've logged in, located your file, opened the Share menu, switched general access to anyone with the link, and copied the link. If your organization has sharing restrictions, you might see different options, but the process is the same. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you share your files quickly and confidently.